Hey guys, how you doing? This is a quick update on the plastic welder repairing the bumper cover. All done plastic welded. There is no Bondo on there at all. That's all just sanded away in the plastic that you're seeing. This is the plastic welder that I used. You just go and it kind of melts it together like that all the way through, and on the back side it's reinforced with the mesh. If you watch the previous videos, it goes over the prep on preparing this. So today what we're going to be doing then is, after this is all fixed up, I sanded it, cleaned all the dust off, soapy water, dried it. And now I'm going to be bondoing it. About a 50-to-1 ratio, or an 1.25 inches to a 1/2 inch tall, golf ball size, but just kind of spread it out a little bit. I'm going to mix this together, put it on the ground and mix it, and then I'm going to smear it on with, I have a little Bondo blade here. It's a little easier for me. But for this area, it's harder to mix smaller quantities because it's such a high ratio. It's a 1/4 teaspoon to, what's that, 4 tablespoons, I believe. So I have that all nice and mixed. That's just stained. It's not mixed there. Oh, there's some up there. I'm not going to need all this stuff on the edges, but alright, now that it's nice and all one color, I could probably just smear some on like this. And you're going to want to push really hard when you first apply it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sand this after it's set up. Takes a little bit. And then I'll show you guys the end result. I think it turned out really nice, at least the plastic welding part. All the lines line up, this right here, the top part, goes all the way up and over. So I'm just going to smooth this all out, and I'll show you guys how it looks after it's painted. See you guys later.